I see you. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. I'll put you back. I just want to make you YouTube famous. What is going down, homies? We are going hog hunting today. I'm talking about big fish. So get your popcorn ready. Make sure your beer is cold if you drink, because I'm ready to go, and I aim to bring you guys some big fish. And I ain't got anything small tied on. I mean, the smallest thing is a fluke, and it's about 6 inches itself. So it's going down. I'm talking about swim baits. I'm talking about jigs. Talking about chatterbaits. Big fish only, man. If it ain't 5+, I don't even want it, man. And the weather's warm. The wind a little nasty, but hey, man, if it's nice weather, your boy trying to get on the water. So we'll see you in a second, man. Let's go chase these big girls. Let's see what we can do. Oh, Mundo. That's a Mundo. Ooh, holy cow. That fish went nose down quickly. Goodness gracious. If I can just position it right. Wow, this fish is big. It is massive. God, this is torture. You see a fish this big. One word, guys, massive, thick. That's actually 2 words, but this is a big fish. I had her riled up multiple times. I just couldn't seal the deal. I'm trying to compose myself so I can go back in there and try to catch her. I got the swim bait tied on. I mean, she beelined it from about 10 feet out and just stopped. So let's go get her, guys. Let's seal this deal. You know what? That's the bed that is way off of it. So let me tell you guys what's happening. A lot of people bought this bank. This big fish has been hiding out until just the right time and something comes into her bed. She can ambush it, but I'm going directly in the bed this time. Time for her to put up or shut up. I'm in the bed. I'm in your bed. I'm in your bed. Me or you? Me or you? One of us gonna bite the bullet. I mean, she's inches away, guys. Inches. My bait is literally dancing in her bed. Shit. Damn it. Damn. She is still right there. Dang. Sucks, guys. Same tactic. She's still here. But fall back in the bed. Shake it for dear life. Let her eat it. Then set the hook. Feel like a little drummer boy on this, tapping away. Trying to get this fish. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, God. Shit. Got it, guys. That's a big fish. That is a big fish. Yeah, buddy. Woo! That is a chunk, guys. Look at that. It's a solid fish. We call that one an 8-pounder. Look at that. Look at that mouth, guys. That's a big fish. I worked my butt off for this one. Let her ate it. Let her took it in. Made a rookie mistake the first time around. I set the hook too fast. That is a certified catch right there. All right, guys, if you can see it, 8 on the dot. That is an 8-pounder. Big girl. All right, guys, I got her on the working class 0 measure, and she comes at right around 23.5. So what an amazing fish. Let's get her back in the water. There she goes, guys. Back to the deep. 8-pounder. All right, funny story, guys. That fish got off last time, and I was hurt, man. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was a good fish, but I didn't think it was 8 pounds. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use some of my Area 19 shad butter, and I put that thing out over it. So this time around, I stayed calm. I let her eat it, let her swim off with it, set the hook, and sealed the deal. Hey, Kenny, appreciate it, bro. The shad butter came in handy. Helped me get that 8-pounder. Catch y'all on the next fish.
I don't think they're gonna eat this gantarel over here.
I don't know, man. Never know.
They can't see it. I'm gonna stick to that chatterbait.
These little birds keep acting like they want to swoop down and eat.
Got it.
You my baby, got him? Hey!
Got a good one.
3.5.
Very good.
Yep. Nice one, man.
What's that, about 3?
Yeah?
Yeah. Probably. They eat it pretty good, too.
Yeah. White chatterbait.
Ooh, that is a decent one.
Yep. There you go. You got it.
Yep. 311.
311.
No, my bad. 211.
211. Okay. 211. Okay.
That's a beautiful fish, though.
Mm-hmm.